What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Driving Empire, and for today we're not gonna be doing just any normal Driving Empire. We have an update to my Driving Empire, guys. We are going to be going through car evolution. That's right. I'm going to go through races, and it depends by what position I get. If I get first or second position, I get myself a car upgrade, and for this is gonna be hard. So wish us luck and let's get. So I think I just start the video. And by the way, to make this game even harder, I'm going to be using my tablet to drive my car, and so I can make it a little bit easy. So it matters with how much cash I get. That's what upgrades me. But let's get our first vehicle, which is what, of course, one of the cars that I regret looking at. Our first vehicle is a truck. And since I'm using my tablet, this is gonna be difficult, guys. But we gotta get the cash so we can evaluate this truck into a good car. So let's just go. So if I'm doing well, ooh, this car got some times. Wait, let me try taking this car to one of the easiest races. And if it actually fails, I don't even know if this car is actually meant for anything. Okay, they have all these races, which makes me now questioning myself. Seriously, all these. Wait, one of the easiest races is the highway race, by the way, because it's all about just speed. Yeah, look at that. It's all about speed. But can I do this? I have to do it in 1 minute, so let's do this. Since I'm alone in this world server, so I'll have to do this race alone. Okay, the game is not loading. What just happened to my game? What's going? Oh my god, guys, my game is lagging. What? Just what? What was that? Think I just lost my car. Okay, guys, I need to go get my car back. I'll be back with you in a jiffy. Okay, I managed to get my car back. That is something bad which happened, I don't know. Let's I go back the truck since I actually need it so I can upgrade it. Because without it, I can't upgrade it. So let's go try that race again. And if this game glitches again, we've got ourselves a glitch. I don't even understand why would the game glitch like that. Okay, we're going to the highway. Okay, please don't glitch. Finally, it didn't glitch. Okay, let's just do this. All you have to do is beat this game, this race, and we get yourself a new thing. Why is the guy riding wheels actually? I'm confused. Let's go, we got this. So far, I'm first place, that's good. I need to do is just stay first place. Okay, I'm getting cash. My top speed is actually even embarrassing. That my top speed is 100 and 200 is my top speed. This guy is trash. As long as I just win this competition, I get cash and I'll get myself a new evolution. I don't know how much I need to get for the first crash. Ask the developers, but I just hope we got this covered. Okay. It's so close to the end, I think so. I'm not sure. I'm 70%. I see the finish line, guys. We are almost there. Okay, my game is still not loaded in, but so far, watch this, guys. Watch this. We got ourselves first place, guys. I can't believe we defeated a guy with driving wheels. Actually, that's understandable. He's driving wheels. What else can he do? Well, let's teleport back to the main place. very sure I get upgraded once I'm in the dealership. I can't upgrade anywhere else. So let's go to the dealership. Okay. And now I don't know how we're gonna get upgraded, but let me just park the car and wait and just hope that this upgrade works. I don't remember how. I was told that I just need to park my car. Okay, it's time for the upgrade. Just hope this works. Oh, my game is glitching. Okay, it finally worked, guys. We got an upgrade. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Wow, this guy drifts, but still look feels like it. I feel like it's better than the first one, but worse in the races. So we're gonna test it in our new race. What race should we do? I think today now we're gonna do the circuit race. Wait, no, actually circuit race seems too long for this one. Yeah, I remember circuit race now something. Let's see, Russia. Now I'm lost. Which one is? I'm not asking what to choose. What should we choose? Wait, is this just a straight line? It's even straighter than the highway race, guys. Oh wait, it's not the highway race, it's the drag race. Wait, what should we choose? No. Yeah, I'm going back to the drag race. Okay, let's start this grace. And please don't glitch. Okay, going against this guy. Okay, let's do this. Wait, what does this picture? What does this one do? Wait, what? I'm inside the car, guys. I never knew I could change my perspective like this. Okay, whoa. Okay, the bot is cooking me right now. But I won't accept it. Oh, please don't. They just get beaten by a bot. Okay, this car is even worse than the first car, guys. How did it just. I wanna race again. I can't just. How? You got defeated, guys, by the bot. Wait, where's the bot now? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Can't believe the only way it can win this race is just by driving alone. This guy is actually lame. Uh, I won against myself. Yeah, I don't want to play. I don't want to race with this car. This guy is trash. But it's not good for. I can't believe it can't win. Wait, what happens if I take it to the highway race? Actually, I don't feel like I can take it to the highway race. If it can't win in a straight line, what makes it better in that highway race? Okay, completely. We just upgraded from a truck which is winnable to a car that can't even win a single race. I'm actually not improved. Only the way I could just upgrade it without having to pay that much cash. You know what? I think that the way. I had it. You guys hit the like button and subscribe right now. You can help me out. Actually, I wish you only did that way possible for that. You know what? I think there is. Let's make a deal, guys. Please hit the like button in the next 3 seconds to turn my car into a better car, into the different car. So hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I feel the car upgrading, guys. It's great. Guys, think it worked. We got ourselves an upgraded car. Look at that. I'm doing donuts. Well, actually, I want to get a view of what of these donuts. Look at this, guys. I'm doing donuts in this guy. This guy is lit. Yeah. Ooh, I feel like this guy is fast enough to win now. Let's go challenge that NPC. Ooh, I got skills of a driver. Okay. Okay, we're going to drag race. I have to win this drag race now. I don't care how fast this NPC is now. My goal is to win this race, guys. So anyway, I can upgrade my car. Oh, let's drive. Let's go. How is that guy driving that fast? Ooh, he just got dusted. Hey, victory. Okay. Okay. Think to that. I think I'm gonna get more cash. Okay. Let's go to this highway race now. Okay, time for this second race to go big. Okay. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Actually, I want to see how fast this car goes. So let's hit the high speed. What? This car feels slower, but okay. Uh, what? Okay. Okay. I think I should change right now. Finally, we got the next upgrade. Okay. Now I think we can now go. Whoa, this thing does donuts. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Let me see how this car looks. What? What kind of sausage? A small car like this is supposed to be overpowered. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo. I think I'm gonna get used to this. Okay, time for the usual race. You know what? I feel courageous enough. I'm doing another race, none other than I'm doing the rush hour. I think that's no. Okay, I saw that and I don't want to do it now. Is this one race I'm looking for? If you know the name of this race that happened, said a race that goes circular, please comment it down because I don't remember the comments. I don't remember that race, and it can't be that. Oh, This thing makes turning even easier. Please be this one. Okay, time to check on this one. Okay. Oh, nah, nah. It ain't that one. Okay. So I didn't get lost. It's not that one. Wait. No, I don't want to go down. Okay. It's not that one. Wait. It ain't that one. I really need to find where this ratio is actually. You know what? I'm just gonna go through one of these ones. And the change. Yeah, I'm going through rush hour. I passed it. Okay, please reverse. Seriously, get out of here. Let me reverse. Seriously. Oh, what is wrong with me? I've been in that car too long. I look creepy, guys. Let me just go back in the car. Okay. Reverse. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna have to fix this first. So please hold on until I get to fix my situation. Okay, I got out of that situation. Now to set this. Okay, I should get ready. It's time for me to go. I just hope I beat this guy. Okay, first place. We gotta go, 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 go. Whoa, this car drives like a pro. Okay. Whoa, I don't even need to stop. Oh no, not the ramps. I hate when it comes to ramps. Wait, I'm still fast. How far did I leave that guy? Okay, I think I might have a chance to win this. Okay, I'm already 80%. 90? Okay, and there we go. Celebratory donuts. Okay, let's just return back. I think it's time for me to take a park. Okay. Oops. Please don't get stuck. And question, why is my character's leg after the window native us? Okay, I think that's just a glitch. Why am I lost? I'm supposed to be going back to this. Why is there a hand switching off my door? It's gonna ignore that and I have to go back to the dealership. What perfect parking, guys. Okay, I ruined it. I'll just leave it there. And now to wait for the evolution. It's happening, is it happening? Okay, it finally happened. And now I'm inside a white car. Whoa. Now this is looking nice. Let me take this for a spin. Oh, I crashed. suck at this. Let's just go. Okay, what race are we doing for this car? Let's and then I'm gonna do this one. Okay. And time to go speed in this car better be the a better evolution than the first one. Because if it's worse than the first one, I don't even know why I bought it. Why it is even next. You can't tell me that I just bought something that is actually worse than the first one. And in the evolution, in this evolution, it's supposed to be going from the worst to the best, not the best to the worst. Okay, so far things are going well. First place. Oh no. Oh, I'm not. Oh no, I'm gonna lose my position. Oh no, the guy is going. The guy is going. The guy is going. Hit the gear, guys. I can't lose. He get back here. Oh no, no trams. I made it. Okay. Okay, we're first place. Finally, we're back. Now we have to feel. Just have to stop bouncing off the road. Oh no, not the guy again. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Don't spin out, don't spin out, don't spin out. Okay. Full speed ahead. Okay, we might have a chance to win this, guys. Where we're 50%, we're 60%. How are we supposed to reach 100 in time? Okay. We need to go. Okay, we need to go. We need to hurry up. Oh no, not the curve, not the curve. I hate the curves. Oh no, we're driving reverse now. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Go, drive, 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 drive. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh no, he's passing me, guys, he's passing me. Go, 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 go. Ah, nah, I passed it. Ah, no, I'm second place. No, I did not expect that. Okay, go, go, go. Maybe I can catch up. I still have a chance. Oh no, I don't have a chance. We're 90%. Oh my god. Yeah, he won. Why did I have to lap out in the last moment? Just to get the cash. Whoa. Okay. That was a bad attempt. At least you tried. Can I just go to the dealership? And now let's just park and wait for the next car. Because this, I'm not in the mood to do anything. I'm just gonna park like this. So let's open. Ah, can't. You can't let me. Okay. I have to wait. Yeah. Okay, now I have to park my car again because it can't let if I'm not in the parking lot. Don't know why he had to add that in, but happy now. I'm in here. Now let's do this. Oh, I think it worked, guys. Why not the next car? Let's take this out for a spin. Let's look for a race. Let's start with this. We're gonna do like two races. Let's first do this one. Seriously. asking too much from me. Okay. Why roll this? They want to mix one vehicle, but I'm already in a vehicle. This thing is so confusing. Yeah, okay. Let's go and check what all this. Um, what? What is it? Seriously. Oh, for the world is glitched. Um, get me out of here. Okay. I didn't just double for free, right? No. Oh, seriously. Okay, guys, what is going on with my phone? Seriously. Yep. There goes my car. You know what? Since you please hit the like button right now, you can't try to get me back better car than that. Please hit the like button. Three, two, one. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, it worked. Look at this one. And I think this is the second last to the end of the second last to the end of the car's jump. So I think after this one, I finally get upgraded to the fastest one. Not the fastest one in the entire game, but I think it's something better than this. But this one is no, it ain't. No, I did it again, guys. Today, this world does not let me. Look at the house. I lost the car. Thank you. Okay, that is glitched. Oh, that was nice. Wait, wait, that was so close. Wait, that was. No, 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 no. Okay, now we really need to run. But this place is actually glitched. Oh, wait, now I can do this. What time? Let's race this. Okay, guys, let's race this bad boy and see how fast this car can go. Okay, let's go. Okay, there's another headset, but look at it. What? Okay, I really need to restart that race. Something bad happened in the middle of the race. Yeah, we did a rematch because that was not right. Okay, now let's do it well. This car looks cool enough to win this race. Okay, perfect corners. Ooh, oh, he thinks he can pass me. Try to catch up. Whoa, I make those ramps like what? In the beginning, we could make that ramp, but now we make that ramp like a pro. Okay, now we go. Oh, and then there we go. We got first place. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, this car is actually legit. And now we're gonna go to this one. I wanna test this car very much. This is the fastest one, the only car which actually made it past that ramp. And how many times I've fallen off that ramp is countless. So let's go for another race with this car. Yeah, I'll even give him a headset. And now we go. If I can actually. Okay, there's no way I'm actually catching up with this game. Okay, let me race again. There's no way I was going to catch up with the game. Alright, let's just teleport. Okay, let's do this. Let's go back to the third. And that's the second race done. I think I'm ready to upgrade to a car that is faster than this one. I even wonder which car can be faster than this. This one looks like a horsepower. Okay, bye car. It's time to upgrade. Oh, it's glitching. Whoa, guys. We actually got a quick upgrade there. Look at this one. We, the roof moves. Look at this, guys. Now this is a car. Oh, okay, let's take this one for right now. Oh, oh, that was close. I think I'm gonna take it for this one. Oh, not the one of these cars. Let's go to no, not that one. Too straight. I need this drag bridge. Now this is what I'll do. Okay, let's start this race. Go. What? What just happened, guys? I got sabotage. What? Okay, now I'm back on the road. Okay, gotta catch up to that first guy. This speed, this car speed, I feel like I'm gonna catch up with it fast. Okay, wait, how far did this guy go? Okay, we really need to start the trace again. We are restarting this race. Because the game is glitched on me. Okay, I never expected this game to be so glitchy. But okay, now we seriously gotta win this. Okay, we first place. And we really need to stay first place. Okay, let's ignore that I feel like that. Not one of these. Okay, we are close to checkpoint. Can't believe I'm actually just racing on a bridge that is forming. Bro, my Wi-Fi needs some protection. Okay, see the guy. Can I actually make it to him in time? Okay, we're close. I see the dude, he's just straight ahead. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. No, this ain't fair. How am I supposed to reach him if it keeps if this game keeps just lagging on me? Okay. Okay, that was the worst race. I'm just gonna ride away. This car is kinda cool and fast, but compared to what I just witnessed, is worthless. I'm just gonna go back to the dealership. I don't know what, I'm going home. Just head home real quick because I'm tired of this. I think home should be right here. Yeah. Why is my home glitched? I'm gonna call the repair man to come and repair my house soon. Look at what they've done to my house. Look at it. Oh, oh my god. Oh my. Yeah, this is gonna need some more repairing. I think I'm just gonna sleep in my car today. Till I get a new house, I'm gonna be sleeping in my car. I have no choice. Hey, yeah. Let me put on the roof when I'm on. Yeah, there goes on this roof. Now to find a place to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna park my car right here. Oh, good night, guys. And if you want to see another video, please hit like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.